First open Start and type Notepad. Click on Notepad. Copy and paste the text that you will find in the description of this video. Paste that text. Click on File. Click on Save As. Select Desktop. Name the file as wuauserv.bat. Select all files. Click on Save. Now right-click that file and click on Run as Administration. After complete, restart your computer. If that didn't work, open Start and type Troubleshoot. Click on Troubleshoot setting. Click on Additional Troubleshoot. In Windows Update, click on Run the Troubleshoot. If that didn't work, click on the link that you will find in the description of this video. Click on Download Now. Open downloaded link. Click on Accept. Select Upgrade this PC and click on Next.